Aloha guys, we are back at City Mill and we're talking about some money-saving tips as well as water conservation. We're hanging out with Iris and this idea of the water sense label. For people who don't know, what is that?
Water sense label is actually from the EPA. What they have decided to do is actually pick items that help conserve water.
And why is it important that when people are considering buying a new toilet that they select one that has the water sense label on it?
Well, you save a lot of water.
Okay.
30% of all your water usage is actually through flushing toilets.
Crazy.
Crazy amount. And by saving it, 20%, you can save not only water, but you also save money. If you buy a toilet to go, the Hawaii Board of Water Supply is actually offering a $45 rebate for every toilet. So you can come here, just scan the code or go on citymill.com. They have a code and you can apply for your rebate. The rebate is good for your initial purchase of the toilet, but what you really save is what you do every year. So you'll save 13,000 gallons of water every year, which can equal about $100 per year per household.
Every single toilet we're looking at right now also includes that water sense label as well.
Yes, it does.
Well, talk about what qualifies a product to be able to carry that label.
Okay, it normally is anything that's 20% less water usage. For a toilet normally takes 1.6 gallons of water to flush. They require it to be 1.28 gallons or less. Also, they require the toilet be as good or better than the average toilet that's out there. To-go kit means that everything is together in one kit. You have the tank and you have the seat. They have about 6 SKUs that are water sense labeled.
So if people want to get more information in terms of what you guys offer, how do people do that?
They can come into any of our 8 City Mill stores or go on to our citymill.com.